Walker Parker Real Estate, and no one knows Swan Lake like we do. Welcome to 12 Louisbourg Way in Markham's renowned Swan Lake community. This is one of the most popular models in the village. It is an end-unit Kingfisher with a rare double-car garage and driveway. The Kingfisher is the brightest bungalow model in Swan Lake, and this home has a premium location that offers lots of privacy. This sun-drenched space has windows galore with gorgeous green views of the private back and side yard areas. Step inside and fall in love with almost 1,700 square feet of upgraded space on the main level, plus a partially finished basement. Open concept living and dining room areas showcase a vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and west views. The main floor den has a skylight and walkout to the extra wide, ultra private back deck with shade awning and gas barbecue hookup for summer entertaining. The sunny eat-in kitchen has ample storage, a large pantry, and walkout to the patio. The two large main floor bedrooms have hardwood floors, each with a full bathroom. This model also boasts a large standalone laundry room on the main floor with a sink and storage cupboards. The partially finished basement has a rec room, a large cedar closet, a powder room, and lots of unfinished space. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's premier communities. Enjoy 24-hour gatehouse security, and all exterior maintenance is done for you. You can travel with peace of mind or stay home and enjoy the friendly community with first-class amenities. There are indoor and outdoor pools, a gym, social events, tennis, pickleball, and more. Your maintenance fees also include high-speed internet.